Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change your profile picture on TikTok. Whether you're updating your personal brand or just want to show off a new photo, it's a quick and easy process. Let's get started. Open your TikTok app on your device and make sure you're signed in. By opening a new page in the lower right corner of the screen, click on your profile. Then, on the next page, under the profile picture, scroll down to the Edit Profile option and click on it. A page will open where you can see your profile picture, under which it says Change Photo. Click on it. At the bottom of the screen, a small window will open with options such as Take Photo, which allows you to use the camera to take a picture of yourself or want to take a picture of something in order to place it on your profile picture. Select from Gallery is an option that allows you to select photo from your gallery. And the last option, View Photo, allows you to see your current profile picture. In our case, we will choose the second option in order to search for a picture in our gallery and change the profile picture. Select an image in the gallery and click on it. Then click on the Confirm option in the lower right corner of the screen. By clicking on the Confirm option on the next page, you will see the allowed circle. And now, in order to better and more beautifully select the part of the image that you want to save, you can move the image up, down, or enlarge, reduce to a certain part. Once you've done all that, click Save. And that's it. Changing your TikTok profile picture is quick and easy. If you found this guide useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more social media tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.